right, everybody.
Oh, engine 7 gonna cut me off.
Yeah,
wow.
Don't bother looking. Don't bother looking before you pull out. No need to look. No need to look.
Really? No, we're... Your mother, dude. Go f your mother. Go f your mother. Yeah, yours. I know what you're thinking if you're new. Johnny, what on earth does Engine 7 have against you? You've got no history with them, right? Well, here, just judge for yourself. Here's a brief history of my encounters with Engine 7. Alright, so here's where things start to get a little bit weird. One of the firefighters decides to point his flashlight at us, and at first we think it's harmless and inadvertent because he's filling out paperwork. Then we figure out it's far more nefarious than that. When you watch the video, you'll see that his flashlight magically follows our cameras no matter where we go, which is a classic example of prior restraint, which is censorship imposed, usually by a government or institution, that prohibits a particular instance of expression. So he's not even allowing us to tell our story. Censorship is after a story is published and it gets squashed. Prior restraint is we're not even going to allow you to tell the story. That he broke in now.
Oh, he's not for sure?
No, isn't that what you guys just said?
No, he's saying he is. They're saying he's not.
Right, no, this guy is not. You know.
He's not. There's a concept here, right?
Hey guys, we're going to push this all the way back over here, guys.
Okay.
Cool.
Can we move that way?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Hey, Lee. Take a break, man. Just take this and stretch it across over here. How far back you go? Back to that side.
Here's a great view to show you just how bright his light is.
Over there, guys.
Oh, outside? Okay.
Yeah.
This tree.
Outside? It's okay to go with you.
Have a good day, gentlemen.
Yeah, I told you they were.
Yeah.
The guy with the flashlight?
Yeah, he's just being a dick.
Yeah, I knew.
The fireman with the flashlight.
He was following me around.
Yeah.
I got my light on.
Yeah, everywhere we're walking, the fireman is following us with the flashlight. Pretending to not be shining it on us. So, and people wonder why they get retaliated against. People wonder why they get the bird flipped to them. People wonder.
Eric, let me,
People wonder. It's fascinating to me.
come over here. Go ahead, you're good.
Yeah, so that firefighter looks like I'm listening to tape for him. Maybe Haney will tell us his name. Oh, there he goes. Tell us his name. Oh, there he goes.
Please, for God's sake, don't do that. Don't do that, please. Please, don't do that. Don't do that, please. Don't do that.
TD, you're my hero. TD, you're my hero. Did you guys see that light in our eyes the whole time? Yeah. The fireman? Yeah. The entire time. The unintentional.
Hey, they take it up over here and left a big hole.
Yeah, he's still shining it at us.
He does it for a living. You probably saw.
TD, you're my hero. Yeah, there you go. Look at him. Look at him. Yeah, there you go. Look at him. Look at him.
You realize there's no body or anything in there, right? We're just training. Hello?
Thanks so much, Johnny. Appreciate it. What's up, Deborah?
Hello?
You can put on a mask. If you want to get that close to me, you can put on a mask, dude. Okay? Seriously, dude. Jesus Christ. Oh, look. He's telling everybody to put their masks on. Hey, try not to be a c*** and shine your flashlight in my lens, dude. Every time I move, you keep pointing your light at me, okay? Try not to be a c***, Phillips. Seriously. You're doing your job, I'm doing mine, okay? I see what you're doing. It's pretty obvious. Don't be a cunt.
Sure. Yeah, let us work, dude.
Yeah, let me work too, dude. Tell Phillips to stop pointing his light at my camera. Fucking 10-year-old. Piece of shit. What an absolute. Listen, I'm going to show you the video where he's shining his light on my camera, and so I move. He continues to shine the light on my camera. Okay? It's prior restraint, dude. Like, seriously.
Like I said, I don't have a problem filming.
Well,
but I'm not going to let you get more time while we're trying to work here, okay?
Dude,
I
listen.
understand.
It is as Stevie Wonder could see what was happening here. Dude, seriously. Brubaker. Brubaker. He's a retaliatory. Phillips is a retaliatory.
I'm not gonna let you get more time while you're working, okay?
I'm working too.
I get it.
Okay.
I do. But just give him a little bit of space, okay? Just give him a little bit of space, okay?
What? Do you need me to move back?
Yeah, just give him a little bit of space.
Okay, well then you need to communicate with exactly what. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna move over here. Is that good enough, Brubaker?
That'll work.
We good?
As long as you're not giving him a hard time, that's fine.
Well, it goes both ways. So, as a result of all of these incidences, I've made several phone calls to the Los Angeles Fire Department Professional Standards Division, which is the internal affairs of the fire department, who, unlike the LAPD, have been very responsive and very eager to hear and, more importantly, see the incidences in question of their firefighters on the job. If you feel like you've seen anything that is not exemplary behavior by the LAFD, feel free to call them and voice your redress with your government. As a result, Engine 7 has had it out for me. So after showing you this brief background of my history with Engine 7, it sure doesn't seem like a coincidence that Engine 7 pulled out as egregiously as they did from the scene on Sepulveda Boulevard, which, let's face it, when you've got a fire engine that's anywhere from 30 to 60,000 pounds, that could have easily killed me. So, once again, absolutely retaliatory behavior by the Los Angeles Fire Department, Engine 7. Great job, guys. You're on stage. The whole world is watching. You're doing a great job. So here's the entire scene in question of where we exactly were on Sepulveda Boulevard. You can see the Pink Cloud Motel there in the upper left. So there's a motorcycle crash here. This is on Sepulveda Boulevard in the city of North Hills. And we're going to look at an overview from Google Earth. So here's an overview in Google Earth with the Hometown Inn, which is 9401 North Sepulveda Boulevard, which is just north of the Pink Cloud Motel. This is a southbound view here with the hotel on the right. This is actually where we were parked, just north of the Pink Cloud Motel. So if we zoom down, you'll get to see the proximity of, there's the Pink Cloud Motel there is the Hometown Inn, and we were parked right there, kind of where that pickup truck is parked. So we're looking southbound right now in Sepulveda Boulevard. That is Tupper Street there, the next traffic signal. Here's where it gets really interesting. Here is the ruler function on Google Earth, and you can see from the Pink Cloud Motel of where the fire engine was parked, it is 483 feet, about 153 meters to the nearest traffic signal for them to make a U-turn. There was absolutely no urgency in their getting in the left lane. So a normal driver might just stay in the number 2 lane. Oh, no, we're going to come all the way over to the number 1 lane. Absolute urgency to get into the number 1 lane. We can't help it. Oh, yeah, that's because Johnny 5-0 is there in his little Prius, and maybe we can kill him. So, yeah, okay, cool. All right, but, you know, we had our emergency lights on, so there's some plausible deniability there. These guys are just simply out of control. There's no other description. You could not see it through the dash cam, but they were flipping us off like the real men that Engine 7 are. Great job, you guys. You guys are heroes. I don't care what anybody else says. Absolute heroes. Yeah. Yep. Great job, guys. So, yeah, great job, Engine 7. I'm at an absolute loss. I mean, let's face it, that could have easily killed us. And I'm sure they were trying to send a message, and I'm sure they're going to say, oh, well, we had our emergency lights on, and so he shouldn't have tried to pass us, blah, 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 blah. Well, those emergency lights came off immediately after they started moving. So if you cannot get over 1 lane, so there's 3 lanes, number 1, number 2, and number 3 lanes. So from the number 3 lane, you have to get to the number 1 lane immediately with such urgency? Or did you know what car I was driving, and, you know, let's see what we can do to Johnny. So congratulations. This video is going to LAFD Professional Standards Division. So congratulations. And once again, Engine 7, you guys think that you had no part in any of this, that I am the only, you know, I am the thorn in your side, and I'm the only one doing anything here, and, you know, if it weren't for him, you know, you guys, man up and take some responsibility for your own actions, but you won't, because you have the inability to do what real men do. So great job. Keep putting it on me. Keep making me the bad guy. Great job, you guys. Engine 7. When I go out and do my cop watches, I drop other calls to go and show up for Engine 7. So, great job. You guys are amazing. You never disappoint. So, what do you guys think? Leave a comment. Let me know how First of all, how retaliatory that you thought it was, and secondly, how dangerous that you thought it was to have a 40, 50,000 pound vehicle come flying down the road at you. So thanks so much, everybody. This is absolutely egregious. This is well over a year's time of history with Engine 7, and just grow up. Like, seriously, grow up, man. Grow a set. One other point, aren't these firefighters that are driving the engines, the fire engines and the fire trucks, aren't they hyper vigilant of the vehicles around them for obvious purposes? I don't know. I don't get it. I thought these guys were professional drivers. And judging from the video that I put up last week, where they did the U-turn in the cul-de-sac around the old lady and the walker who's in the roadway, I'm losing all faith in the fire department in general. So maybe you are as well. Maybe we're getting to see who the fire department really is. Maybe they haven't had a spotlight on them, and maybe they need a spotlight on them.